Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is blogging. If you love writing and sharing your knowledge, this skill is perfect for you. As a blogger, you'll create content that attracts readers and generates income through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Start by choosing a niche you're passionate about and creating a blog using platforms like WordPress or Blogger. Many bloggers earn $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on their traffic and monetization strategies. To get started, focus on creating high-quality content and promoting it on social media. With consistent effort, this skill can become a scalable income stream. Next is market research. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, and that's where you come in. As a market researcher, you'll gather and analyze data to help companies understand their customers and competitors. Start by learning tools like Google Surveys or SurveyMonkey, which are great for collecting data. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for market research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses that need help understanding their market. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Third is ebook covers. Authors and publishers need eye-catching covers to make their books stand out. As an ebook cover designer, you'll create custom designs that grab attention and drive sales. Start by learning tools like Adobe Photoshop or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per cover, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to authors and publishers directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy designing and want to help authors succeed. Fourth is podcast editing. With podcasts growing in popularity, creators need help editing their episodes to sound professional. As a podcast editor, you'll clean up audio, add intros and outros, and ensure the final product is polished. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition, which are great for beginners. Many podcasters pay $20 to $100 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to podcasters directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy working with audio and want to tap into a growing industry. Finally, let's talk about financial planning. Many individuals and businesses need help managing their finances, and if you have a knack for numbers, this skill is perfect for you. As a financial planner, you'll help clients create budgets, save money, and plan for the future. Start by learning the basics of personal finance and investment strategies. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the complexity of their financial situation. To stand out, focus on understanding your client's goals and delivering tailored advice. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative part of your online income. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose blogging, market research, ebook covers, podcast editing, or financial planning, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.